Hello everyone, this is Nitish Jain and I'm a product owner at Docyt. Today I'm going to show you how easily you can connect with Gingr inside Docyt. So Docyt supports integration with Gingr platform. Gingr is basically a pet management platform used by the pet industry. So you need to go to this gear icon and select the integrations tab. On this page, you will see list of businesses. You select your own business for which you want to configure Gingr. Now, based on industry, the supported integrations will be shown in the integrations area. So we support Gingr for pet industry. So you can see here configure option. You go to configure, you fill in the credentials, you provide the starting date, and then you save. And after that, you can activate this integration. So you go to Gingr again and you activate. And once you activate, the connection is established, the data begins to pull. You can go into the history and you can see the reports being downloaded on daily basis. Additionally, you can also see that these reports are available inside the revenue center of Docyt. You can see these reports on daily basis. You can click and you can see the data that has been downloaded. So this is the original file from Gingr that has been extracted, and these are the data points that have been fetched from this file. So that's how you establish integration with Gingr inside Docyt. Thank you.